Namaste, I'm Master Kamal, and today I'm going to teach you a very powerful pranayama, Ujjayi pranayama. Ujjayi is a powerful breathing exercise. You can do it when you exercise, when you do postures. You can also do sitting still like this. So it's a very, very powerful pranayama. You should practice. And by the way, this breathing is very, very good to clear excess phlegm. It creates inner heat, purifying your cells, oxygenating them, improving blood circulation. And also people who have snoring issue, sleep apnea, this is a very good exercise. Practice this regularly and it works wonders. So people find it difficult to actually get the right breathing. When I ask them to breathe and imagine you're breathing through the throat, they pressure the nostrils. That is not good. So please understand, don't pressure the nostrils when you inhale like this. Or, no, not here. Don't pressure here. Here should be nice, normal. Only the sound is coming at the throat, like a slight snoring sound. The best way to get this is practice opening mouth, practice breathing opening mouth. So like this, open your mouth slightly and let the tongue touch the lower teeth, just under the lower teeth, and you breathe through the mouth. And as you breathe in, you lift your chest up. So your energy, imagine you're breathing from the abdomen up and up to the chest. Okay, and when you exhale, from the chest down and down to the abdomen. This is the way you should think. So let's say you have two glasses, one with water, one empty. So when you pour water in the glass, you fill in from bottom to top. Similarly, when you inhale, you're breathing from the navel up to the upper chest. And when you exhale, from the chest down, like emptying the glass, from the top down to the navel. So let's try. 3 times we practice open mouth like this. See? And exhale through the mouth. Okay, but you're not supposed to breathe through the mouth. So you have to learn to close your mouth and breathe through the nostrils, but create that sound at the throat, like this. In the beginning, you need to be very conscious of how you breathe, so you don't stress the nostrils. Then you get this technique. You can use this breathing exercise whenever you do the postures, or when you're holding the postures. You can practice this breathing. Very, very good. But when you sit down and do this breathing, you have to do it in the traditional way, like this. So you place your palms, index finger touching the thumb, just on your knees, sitting taller, back straight. Inhale, creating the sound Ujjayi at the nostrils, breathing through the nostrils. Big inhale. Hold. Always learn to hold only to your comfortable capacity. Don't hold beyond your capacity. You should imagine like you're in a deep waters, down, calm, effortless. And now, when you exhale, bring your right hand in front of the face, close your right nostril and exhale through the left. Inhale. Hold. Keep yourself calm, face relaxed. In fact, you can imagine a smile on your face when you hold breath without creating any tension. And now, before you exhale, close your right nostril with your thumb and then exhale through the nose. Left. This is how you sit down and practice. So try them. It's very, very good. It is one of the major exercise in yoga, major breathing exercise. So do it, and I'm sure it benefits greatly, improving overall well-being. Namaste.